we saw an incredible number of key advances that have both improved the lives of those living with the disease today and that have taken us so much closer to cures for type 1 diabetes. Let's take a look at what we saw just in the last year. An immune therapy was able to significantly delay, for an average of 2 years, the onset of type 1 diabetes. The drug is called teplizumab, and this was the first ever study in humans to show a delay of the onset of type 1. The drug is now being tested in a phase 3 clinical trial in people who've been recently diagnosed, headed by Provention Bio, a company with an investment from the JDRF T1D fund. If successful, we will be moving ever closer to a world without this disease. We also have to ensure that we improve the lives of the T1D community so that when we find cures, we will be there to reap the rewards. And there were a number of advances in this area. The US Food and Drug Administration has approved an algorithm that clears the way for the second artificial pancreas system to enter the market, the Tandem Control IQ technology. Use of the algorithm resulted in more time in range, with less highs and lows, and no severe low blood sugar events. This is a win for all of us in the T1D community, as it provides people with another option to improve daily blood sugar management. SGLT inhibitors, which have been approved for type 2 diabetes since 2011 and help diminish blood sugar swings, received approval for use within type 1 diabetes as well. European and Japanese authorities approved 3 SGLT inhibitors to use with insulin to improve glycemic control in adults. These approvals provide the international community with another option to improve daily blood sugar management. And we applaud the international community for these approvals. Our investment in the T1D space has been multiplied by the JDRF T1D fund, a venture philanthropy fund we started in 2016. Now just over 3 years old, the T1D fund has almost $100 million under management and has made almost $50 million in investments. One of those companies, Semma Therapeutics, made headlines when it was acquired by Vertex Pharmaceuticals for nearly $1 billion. Semma was founded by Dr. Doug Melton, who was backed by JDRF and made breakthroughs in making beta cells from stem cells. Work that Semma continues to advance toward novel beta cell replacement therapies for T1D. By bringing other larger firms' investments in the T1D space and reinvesting returns from its investments, we can leverage our resources much more quickly and strategically, with the ultimate goal to find cures for type 1 diabetes and improve the lives of those living with the disease today. Our volunteers, teams, and advocacy leadership have also done tremendous work this past year, passionately fighting for the renewal of the Special Diabetes Program and additional funding for T1D research. This included hosting our 2019 Children's Congress with 165 student delegates sharing their personal stories and showcasing the need for ongoing research to find cures for T1D. JDRF advocacy has also been relentless in speaking up against the high cost of insulin and ensuring personal choice in treatments. Our chapters and community engagement teams have also increased educational efforts, mentorship, support for the newly diagnosed, and new information on advances in technology, medicine, and research that might help their personal management of this disease. Their work is both tireless and inspiring, and incredibly impactful. As a community, we want to grow stronger and healthier together. As an organization, we will push harder, faster, and with dedicated focus to get us to cures.